Hello, it's Miss Chesser with another math video. I've got a couple of numbers written down here, and I'm going to talk to you just for a second about expanded form. Now, that's something we've talked about already, but we're going to take just a deeper dive, a closer look at expanded form and how it can be your friend. So let's take our first number here. Read it with me. We have 587. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 587 in expanded form, which is just stretching it out into its place values. When you read a number, you can hear the place values and it helps you to put it in expanded form. Let's say this number again, 587. So when I ask myself, how many hundreds do I have 500. So we're going to write it. We have 5 hundredths, which is equal to 500, written like this. So then we're going to add the value of our tens place. If I have 8 tens, how much is that? Well, let's say our number again, 587. So 8 tens is 80. And then our ones, 587, 7 ones is equal to 7. Now, I'm going to talk to you about how expanded form can be your friend and help you with some of your other math activities that you have to do. Because when I have 587 written in expanded form, it makes it very, very easy to answer the questions. What's 100 more? What's 100 less? What's 10 more? What's 10 less? Because all I have to do is look at that place value. So if my teacher asked, what is 100 more than 587? I'm just going to focus on the hundreds place. And I see that 587 has 5 hundreds. And so if my teacher said, how much is 100 more? Well, if I have 100 more than 500, I have what? That's right, I have 600. But we can't forget this part. So it would be 600 plus 80 plus 7, which equals 687, okay? Or if my teacher said, what's 100 less than 587? Well, if I'm at 500 and I take away 100, how much do I have then? That's right, I have 400. And I still have my 80 and my 7, which is going to equal 487. So I just focused on the hundreds place, and that helped me come to my answer faster. Or if my teacher had said, let's erase this very quickly. If I had been asked, what is 10 more than this number? I'm going to go to my 10 spot. My 500 would stay the same, but 10 more than 80, well, let me count in my head. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 comes next. So that would give me, another 10 would give me 90. My ones place would stay the same. So 500 plus 90 plus 7, 10 more would be 597. Or if she had said 10 less, okay, what 10 comes before 80? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, it was 70. But my 500 stays the same. 10 less is 70. And my ones place, the 7 would stay the same. 500 plus 70 plus 7 would be 577. Okay, let's try one more number here. Let's put it in expanded form. Say the number with me, 419. 419. To put that in expanded form, I'm going to say, okay, how many hundreds do I have? 400. expanded form would be 400. How many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. And how many 1s do I have? I have 9 of them. Okay, so if I was asked, what's 100 more? What's 100 more than 400? Well, that would be 500 plus 10 plus 9. So my answer would be 500, 10, 9? No, that makes a team number, doesn't it? 10 and 9 makes 19. 519 would be 100 more. 100 less, well, before 4 comes 3. 300 plus 10 plus 9 would equal 319. Or if I was doing the tens place, 10 more than 10 makes what? 2 10s, which is 20. My 400 would stay the same. My 9 would stay the same, which would give me 429. Now pay close attention. 10 less than 10. 10 less than 10, well, if I have 10 and I take away 10, what do I have left? I have nothing, right? My 400 would stay the same, but I don't have any 10s now. But I still have 9 1s. Now, when I write that, can I just write this because there's 400 and no 10s and 9 1s? No, I can't write it like that because that just says 49. I still have to have a tens place, even though there's nothing in it. So if there's nothing in the tens place, what am I going to put? I'm going to put my 0 as a placeholder. Some people call him Zero the hero because he holds that spot. So I have 400s, no 10s, but still 9 1s, which is going to equal 409. All right, y'all have fun and good luck using your expanded form to help you add and subtract hundreds and tens.